on somewhat, that's for sure.
He certainly is. Right, we go to something brand new from brand and from manufacturer, the Xpeng G6.
To 60 miles an hour, 3.8 seconds. And BMW really throw the kitchen sink at
The E-Type, 1961, all of those iconic vehicles from our past, I think, had a similar sense of, right, there is just nothing else out there.
Met je auto.
The answer is and these brands coming onto the scene are really making the established brand.
The M2 CS, 15 more brake horsepower than the standard. 530 horsepower, 650.
Should have won in 93, but to finally do it in 94, the last race of the year, the other side of the world, on TV and stuff, and even Barry Sheen was there kind of trying to interview me, and I was pushing him out of the way, trying to get to my wife and say embrace her.
Get this, 188.
Responds 10 times more quickly than the system. The guy told you how to type I like
We've got the image, but we just said that